Give the magnitude and direction of the net force acting on a stone of mass 0.1 kg in the following scenarios. Just after it is dropped from a window of an stationary train. Neglect the air resistance in all the questions. Since the train is stationary, so the net force acting on the stone is gravitational force, which acts in the downward direction. As we know, force is equals to mass into acceleration, which is equals to mass into gravity in this case. So we get the answer as 1 Newton. In the second case, just after it is dropped from the window of the train running at a constant velocity of 36 km per hour. Since the train is traveling with a constant speed, so the acceleration of the train is zero. Thus, there is no force on stone due to the train. The net force acting on the stone will be gravitational force which acts in the downward direction, and same in the previous case, that is 1 Newton. In the third case, we have to find when it is dropped from the window of a train accelerating with 1 meter per second square. Just after the stone is dropped, the stone is free from the acceleration of the train. Thus, the force acting on the stone will just be gravitational force which acts in the downward direction and will be same as force is equals to mass into gravity, that is 1 Newton. In the fourth case, lying on the floor of a train which is accelerating with 1 meter per second square, the stone being at rest relative to the train. As the stone is in contact with the train, thus the acceleration of the stone is same as that of the train, that is 1 meter per second square. Thus, with the formula force is equals to mass into acceleration, that will be 0.1 into 1, that is 0.1 Newton. This force is acting in the horizontal direction.